Hey guys, thanks for tuning in once again, and today I'm going to do yet another one palette look, and the palette in question is again Afrique by Juvias. This is my look number 2. So this is the look that I have created. Honestly, it's so colorful, so cheerful. I honestly want to go on a vacation on a beach and recreate these looks there, because honestly these are all beachy looks, and these days I'm all about the colorful life. So as you can see, there are a lot of colors here. There's yellow, there's orange, there's berry tones, there's golden, there's silver, there's a little bit of blue and green and whatnot. I honestly am running out of breath here. So a lot of colors, a lot of fun. If you like this look and want to know how I achieved this look, then stay here and keep on watching. Hey guys, today we are starting with them eyes, and the palette is Afrique by Juvias. So I'm taking my first shade, that is Aya, and placing it all over my lid, and then I'm taking the shade Dekar, I don't know how it's pronounced, but I'm placing it on my crease and packing the color there. And then I'll be taking a Pro Arte brush, that is a clean brush, and just blending both the colors seamlessly into each other. So I'm going in back and forth motion and in small circular motions to blend everything seamlessly, as you can see right here. So next I'm taking this beautiful berry tone shade called Bento and placing it on the outer V of my eye, and then dragging the color inwards, making sure that everything is seamlessly blended into each other, and there's a beautiful gradation happening on my eyes. And then I'm taking this beautiful shade called Coffee or Coffee. This is a beautiful golden shade, and placing it on the first half of my eyelid. And then I'm taking that shade called Fifi and placing it on the second half of my eyelid, and making sure everything is seamlessly blended into each other. And then I'm not even going to try to say this name. I'm taking this beautiful navy bluish, ink blue in fact, shade and placing it on my lower lid, and then kind of smoking it out. And then I'm taking the shade Niger and placing it on the inner corners and on the outer corner of my lower lid, and then smoking it out with a little bit of yellow. And then I'm taking this beautiful shade called Angelique and placing it on the innermost corner of my eyes as a highlighter, and also on my brow bones. So guys, this is how I have achieved yet another colorful, playful one palette look. If you like this look and my video, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also hit the subscription button down below and ring that notification bell as well, so you guys don't miss out on any further uploads from my end. And guys, until next time, thanks for watching.